friends, how are you? Welcome to Sri Chaitanya. This is Uma Shankar. Yeah, just today only, that means that is on 15th December around 3:30 and 4 o'clock or 4 p.m. JEE Main 2021 first phase schedule has been released. Here I would like to share some of the facts regarding this particular JEE schedule, and I want to give some more information regarding this. So my dear friends, you just go through, this is the schedule and the brochure given by the NTA team today on December 15th. So here there are some advantages with JEE Main 2021 February first phase session, because this time in 2021 this JEE Main 2021 has been conducted in 4 different stages. One is on February, and another is on March, and next April, May. So 4 consecutive months they are going to conduct the same examination, and this time they are conducting this examination in February, and the date of the examination is from 22nd to 25th of February. This here you just go through this one, there you will find the real dates of this examination. So these are the dates, 22nd to 25th of February they are going to conduct the examination. So okay friends, now coming to these are the dates that they have given, and three papers are there. Paper 1 is exclusively those concentrating for BE or BTech courses, and paper 2A is for BArch courses, and paper 2B is for B planning. Okay, and the first shift examination per day. So on 22nd means what? 22nd February means 22nd, 23rd, 24th and 24 days they are conducting the examination, first phase examination. Okay, and on 22nd 2 examinations are there, 9 to 12, and 23rd, 24th and 25th also. Altogether 4 days, 4 into 2, 8 papers they are going to conduct the examination. So first shift is from morning 9 to 12 p.m. and second shift is from 3 to 6. So these are the dates given by NTA. And of course here I am not concentrating on the application fee and outside Indians and for NRI students what is the fee for application, everything, because here I would like to give some more important facts. They are very, very useful for those who are preparing for this kind of JEE Mains examination, to clarify their doubts. So what are the advantages, what are the merits and demerits of this particular examination hall? Here today I am concentrating. And my friends, one important point is that JEE Main 2021 syllabus is same as same that of along with JEE Main 2020. So there is no changes in the JEE Main 2021 syllabus. 2020 syllabus is there. What is there in 2020 JEE Main? The same syllabus is now they are giving the question paper on 2021 also. So there is no changes. There is no change in the syllabus. That is first point. Okay, all the topics you have to concentrate, and the topics which they mentioned in JEE Main 2020, the same topics again you have to concentrate more. Okay, that is one important aspect. And coming to my friends, the next important area is here this time they are conducting the examination in 13 languages apart from English and Hindi, because they are conducting examination in English and Hindi, that is a different story, but this time they are conducting the examination in Assami, Bengali, Gujarat, Kannada, Marathi, Malayalam, Odisha, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. So mainly if anybody is preparing their native language or the state language, the examination centers and everything are also be there only in their centers, in their states only. For example, if you are the Telugu speaking student, then the examination centers in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana only, they are conducting the examination. Similarly, for English and Hindi, it is common. English and Hindi, everywhere they are giving the same paper. There is no problem at all. Those who are preparing their native language or state language, state board, those who are preparing in their respective mediums, the examination is conducting at their centers only. So here, this is the another beautiful important point. So any student, if they are not confident with their English or Hindi, then they can write this examination with their own language also or state board language also. That is the major advantage with this 2021 JEE Mains examination. That is one important aspect. And coming to the another important beautiful point is, actually I mentioned they are conducting the examination under 3 papers. One is paper 1, which is mainly on what? BE and BTech. And the second one is what? Paper 2, that is for BArch, those who are interested for BArch architecture course, and paper, that is paper 2A, we can call it as paper 2A. And those who are preparing for B planning, bachelor degree in planning, then that is called paper 2B. One by one I am concentrating. All examinations are computer based tests. CBT means computer based tests. All examinations are computer based tests. Here in paper 1, that is for BE and BTech courses, the examination is conducted in 3 subjects. One is mathematics, next physics, next is chemistry. And of course here this time they are giving 30 questions. In mathematics they are giving 30 questions. They are giving in 2 sections. Section A 20 questions and section B 10 questions. Section A is multiple choice, straight objective questions. So one question having only one answer. And section B numerical value questions. So in mathematics, how many questions they are giving? 30 questions they are giving. And similarly in physics also 30 questions under 2 sections, section A and section B. Similarly, in chemistry also, they are giving 30 questions under 2 sections, section A and section B, 30 questions, 20 plus 10. Okay. Here the main important point is, when compared with 2020 JEE Mains, this time they are giving 5 more questions in section B. Previously, they are giving only 5 questions. See, in 2020 JEE Main, the paper pattern was 25 questions they are giving. Section A 20 questions and section B only 5 questions. Similarly, physics 20 plus 5, chemistry 20 plus 5. What are those 5 questions? What are the questions in section B? They are what? Numerical value questions. Numerical value questions. This is the importance in section B. But this time they are giving 10 questions in numerical value. But each question carries 4 marks only. So altogether what? 30 plus 30 into 4 what? 120. But what marks is there? 100 is there. So something is there. What is the most important point here? We have to understand that. See, listen and read the next paragraph very carefully. Here in section B, you need to attempt or you need to select any 5 questions out of 10. This is the most important point, and there is no negative mark in section B. That is the added advantage with JEE Main 2021 examination. This is the beauty of this examination. So, in mathematics, 20 questions in section A are straight objective questions, there is no problem at all. And in section B, now they are giving 10 questions. And all the 10 questions are numerical value questions. Of that, no negative mark is there. Each question carries 4 marks only. For wrong attempted question, 0 mark is there. And out of 10, you need to focus or you have to solve any 5. That is your choice. That means first time in the competitive examination, the choice has been given in this 2021 examination JEE Main. That is the beauty of JEE Main 2020. This is the more advantage to all aspirants. So, if you are getting time as well as suppose number of choice in the questions, that gives more fetching to even for a normal student also. Even for a common student also, this is the more advantage thing. So altogether, how many questions they are giving? 90 questions they are giving. But though the paper is for 90 questions, but you need to answer for what is 75 questions only. Of that, 60 questions are from section A. Each carries 4 minus 1 marks, whereas remaining out of 15 questions, that is your choice. From that 15 questions, you have to taken from what 30 questions. So 15 questions are available, extra available. So based on that information and based on the difficulty of the question, you select appropriate questions and you will gain good marks also. That this is the most important advantage with this JEE Main 2020 February session. The same will continue even in March, April, May also. Okay, because there is no negative mark for section B. Only negative mark allotted for section A only. And moreover, see, in 2 months or 3 months ago, they have reduced 30% of the syllabus has been reduced for board examinations. So if I am right, they may give that 30% of the questions, the syllabus which is reduced for board examinations, the 30% is some deleted syllabus. Questions from that 30% questions, they may give only in rest of 5 questions, 5 questions in maths and 5 questions in physics and 5 questions in chemistry. That means in 15 questions only they may give. Remaining all 75 questions, if I am right, they should concentrate on the complement of the deleted syllabus only. So you need not worry about that. Those who are preparing the syllabus that they mentioned on paper for board examinations, if you are thorough those problems and if you mastered those syllabus itself is sufficient to solve or to attempt 75 questions out of 75. Because 75 questions is more than sufficient, because highest mark for the question paper was 300 only. Usually you can get very good marks. And moreover, my friends, because of this sort of confusions are there in the students' minds and the students' community, majority of the students are not even focusing more on this. They are not utilizing the DIAS properly. Yes, this is the right time. Please wake up. Please wake up. You put all your efforts, just in coming 1.5 months is more than sufficient. You just concentrate on the secondary topics at least. You can do wonders. You can do wonders. So, here, first time in competitive examination, this kind of choice is available. That is about what? Paper 1, B and B Tech. And coming to paper 2, my friends, now coming to paper 2A, I am talking about those who are preparing for a B-plan exam, B-ARC examination. Yes, the number of questions given for, here the examination is conducted in 3 subjects. What are those 3 subjects? Mathematics 1. And the next one is aptitude test, that is part 2, and the next one is a drawing test. Similarly, in mathematics, just like in B-Tech and B-ARC, B and B-Tech test, that is 30 questions they are giving. Of that, 20 are section A and 10 are from section B. But you need to write only 25 only. 5 questions are under choice from numerical value, not from section A. That choice is available only from section B. But these remaining 50 questions and that drawing test for 2 questions and marks allotted for this 200 and 100, that is important, that is common, that there is no negative marks and there is no extra things and there is no what is called choice at all. This is about what? This is about second paper 2A, those who are preparing for B-ARC. Clear now? So only for these 20 questions which are there in section A having negative marks, and the rest of the things they have no negative marks. So for aptitude test in part 2 and drawing test in part 3, there is no negative marks. That's why you please go through all these points very carefully. You will get the complete idea. There is no negative mark at all. So this is another advantage for those who are preparing seriously for B-ARC examinations. Now coming to B-plan, that is paper 2B. Now this examination, they are giving this time 105 questions. Of course, as usual, here there are 3 sections. Section 1 is part 1, which is mathematics. Just like BARC examination, they are giving 30 questions and they separated the 30 questions under two sections, section A and section B. In section A, 20 questions is there and all are the multiple choice questions and each carries 4 marks and for wrongly attempted -1 is there. And remaining 10 questions are numerical value. Of that you have to write what? Only 5. That means 20 plus 5, 25. 25 into 4 marks is 100. And in part 2, that is aptitude test, 50 questions they should give, and that is each carries 4 marks, 50 into 4, 200 marks. And in part 3, that is planning based objective type questions, multiple choice questions, no negative marks are there. 25 questions directly they are giving, 25 into 4, that is what? 100 marks. So, except the questions given from the mathematics, since mathematics is one of the subject test, remaining all other are the topics in aptitude and drawing test only, and other than that remaining there is no negative marks at all. This is about what? Planning examination. This is about what? BARC examination, and this is about what? BTech and BE examinations. So my friends, in 2020 JEE Main, the examination was conducted for 75 questions and 300 marks. Each carries 4 marks, and as usual, there for every subject 20 straight objective questions are given and 5 numerical value questions are given, except 5 numerical value questions in each subject. In mathematics 5, physics 5, chemistry 5, altogether 15. Except for that, for remaining 60 questions, negative mark is there, -1 negative marking is there. But this time, what is the new change in JEE Main 2021? They are not giving the negative marks, and moreover they are giving the choice also. That is the greater advantage for you. What is the use of the choice? As I mentioned earlier, if I am right, I am expecting like this, because already they have been reduced the syllabus, 30% of the syllabus has been reduced for board examinations. They may give that deleted syllabus, questions from the deleted syllabus in that 5 questions only, in numerical value only, they may give. 99% it will happen. And the rest of all 75 questions, remaining questions, they may concentrate on the remaining part only. So what I am going to say finally is that you please focus on the syllabus that they have given for you thoroughly. And suppose if you have not done well in February, due to any other reasons or due to lack of your preparation or whatever it may be, the background history, don't worry, you have another chance is there in March again. So far they have not declared the dates. Soon we may get the dates also in March, similarly in April, similarly in May also. 4 options are there for you. And in between, though according to your state board examinations, if they are conducting the board examination, even then also plan your schedule accordingly. Definitely you can do wonders. This is the great opportunity, my friends. Actually, nobody will give this kind of opportunity. Please utilize it. But at the same time, the major disadvantage is since I am dividing the entire student community into 3 parts. One is super layer, next medium layer, and next one is slow learners. For super layer students, that means those who are aiming to get ranks below 1000 and below 10 or 100, for them it is a little bit a difficult task, because as long as you are maintaining 300 out of 300, then only there is a possibility of getting a rank below 10 or below 100 only. It is very difficult to get anybody is maintaining more than 290 marks out of 300 also, because this time the competition will be very high. This is the only drawback. So again, what I am going to suggest is, here once after completion of these papers, automatically immediately once after examination, within 1 or 2 days they may release the question paper, and you just understand the nature of the questions and the standard of the questions for next preparation also, and change your pattern and focus more on those particular topics and strengthen your areas of weaknesses, then whereby you will gain good score as well as good ranks also. This is one of the suggestion that from my side. And another important aspect is what? This time they are conducting the examination even in your local language also. Suppose if you are not good at English or Hindi, don't worry. They should give each and every question in your language. then read the question properly and attempt perfectly. For that, don't get any confusion also. Your textbooks, your state board textbooks are more than sufficient, because especially I am talking about Andhra Pradesh and Telangana students, their state syllabus is just on par with the standards of the CBSE syllabus also, and somewhere they are more than that also. The knowledge and the depth is more when compared with CBSE also. So that is an advantage for Telugu state students or Telugu speaking students. Utilize this opportunity, my friends. The same thing may happen even for Tamil Nadu or Kerala or Kannada, other state students also, for them also. Only thing is, the topics that you are preparing, you do master those topics. And don't give again, and don't neglect any of those particular areas, and you plan it accordingly. Because for Sri Chaitanya students, they are lucky enough, because already we have completed everything and now revision has been started, and this is the more advantage for Sri Chaitanya students. And of course, if you want to join it, soon we are going to start even our grand test series and JEE mains test series also. If you utilize that DIAS, you will get and you will gain very good ranks and marks also. That papers and that knowledge and that questions and the levels are very sufficient, and they should serve your purpose. So my suggestion is, don't get discouragement. This is the very good advantage for you, for all students, and don't misuse that, and please don't waste your time also. And all the examinations are what? Computer based tests only. And the most important point is, there is a doubt in the minds of the students that, sir, out of 10 questions, only 5 we need to solve, or suppose if I am ready to solve all the 10, what will happen? Yes, go ahead, don't worry. If you are eligible to solve, and if all the 10 questions are known to you, don't worry, you can solve it. But they will take best of 5 only. Suppose 6 questions are right, they take only 5 questions only. Suppose 7 questions are right, they take 7 questions, 5 questions only. So whatever it may be, the number more than 5, correct numbers more than 5, they consider only 5 questions only. So in that aspect, you don't worry. But in the stipulated time, only thing is here, time matters. So plan and maintain the time and strategy. Time management is very, very important. Utilize that time and give at least 1 hour time for each and every subject. And for chemistry like subject, it never take more than 40 minutes also. And you please utilize that 20 minutes time either for mathematics or physics, depends upon the difficulty in the question paper. Okay, these are the simple what is called suggestions only. And in giving the ranks, first they give priority to the mathematics only. As long as you are scoring better in mathematics, then you should maintain very good rank. Then after mathematics, they give priority to physics, and then followed by chemistry. And after that, candidates having lesser number of negative responses, they give priority. So this is the order of priority. While any situation, tie-if situation has happened, then in that situation, they consider these are the rules and regulations. So my friends, soon you get all these points, nothing to worry. This is the very good advantage for you, for those who are preparing JEE Main 2021. Don't worry. And after watching this, I will give, and soon I will start one important test series also for you. And if you watch my videos, and please pass very good comments, and if you are showing the interest, I do my level best service for you to strengthen your good rank and scores in coming JEE Main 2021. Wish you all the best. And in advance, Happy Christmas, and in advance I am telling you Happy New Year also. Thank you, my friends.